In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen with audio in Google Meet. Whether you're giving a presentation or collaborating on a project, being able to share both your screen and audio is crucial for effective communication. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to make this happen seamlessly. So let's get started. First, you'll need to join or start a Google Meet meeting. If you're already in a session, that's great. But if not, simply head over to Google Meet and either create a new meeting or join an existing one through a link or code provided to you. Once you're in your meeting, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the Present Now button. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to sharing your screen content with everyone else in the meeting. Once you click Present Now, you'll be prompted with a few options. For the purpose of sharing audio specifically, you'll want to select a Chrome tab. This is important because sharing a Chrome tab is the only option that currently allows you to include audio. Other options like your entire screen or a window won't transmit audio from your computer, so make sure to choose a Chrome tab if audio is needed. Now that you've selected a Chrome tab, you'll see a list of all the tabs you currently have open in your browser. Browse through them and select the tab that you want to share. This could be a video, a web page with an audio file, or any other tab you wish your audience to see and hear. Next, before you proceed to share, take a moment to look for a small but important detail. At the bottom left corner of the window, you'll find a checkbox labeled Share Tab Audio. It's crucial that you check this box. This step ensures that the audio from the tab you selected is shared along with the visual content. Forgetting to check this box is a common mistake, and it's what prevents your audience from hearing the audio, so double-check to make sure it's ticked. After confirming the audio share, you're almost there. The final step is to click the Share button. Once you do this, your selected Chrome tab, along with its audio, will be visible to everyone in the Google Meet session. You are now successfully sharing not just what you see, but also what you hear, creating a more engaging and informative experience for your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly share your screen with audio in any Google Meet session, enhancing your presentations and meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of your Google Meet experience.